Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Hello and welcome to the vlog. I just finished to record my yoga flow for today. If you are new here, I post yoga flows every day here on my channel. So if you want to do yoga with me in the morning, it would be a good idea to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I woke up early, I went to the gym, I had my class there, I came back, recorded the flow. Now the dog is sleeping there. And yeah, today is Wednesday and is a day when I not only go to Costco, but I bring you with me and I show all the good things I find there. I show you what I buy, why I buy it. So it's gonna be a fun day. Let's go. After finishing my makeup, I felt refreshed and ready for what the day had in store. I then made a cup of coffee, a simple yet enjoyable part of my morning routine. With coffee in hand, I dedicated myself to editing my vlog, a task I approach with enthusiasm as it's my way of sharing my wellness journey with you. My focus was entirely on creating content that resonates and inspires. Then, time to head to Costco. Let me share my cart with you. Rich in potassium, bananas support heart health and provide essential nutrients for muscle function. Packed with vitamin C, tomatoes are great for skin, health, and antioxidant support. A good source of calcium and vitamin D, milk strengthens bones and supports muscle health. Low in calories and high in B vitamins, mushrooms support immune function and metabolic health. Rich in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt aids digestion and supports muscle growth. High in protein and fiber, edamame is excellent for digestive health and maintaining muscle mass. Peanut butter contains healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which promote heart health and sustained energy. Maybe you don't know, but black pepper contains antioxidants. Protein bars are a convenient source of protein, aiding muscle repair and providing sustained energy. Chocolate because, we have to indulge ourselves just a little bit. A lean protein source, Turk sticks help in muscle building and maintaining lean body mass. So, I just came back from Costco, and before I put away the groceries, let me show you what I got, explain some choices. So, let's start by the peanut butter. Peanut butter can be really good or really bad for you. The key is try to buy a peanut butter that has only one ingredient, peanut. You can look at the label. Actually, always check the labels and find a peanut butter that has only peanut. When you see a list of ingredients that has more than peanut, especially if there is a lot of things that you cannot pronunciate, even if English is your first language, run as fast as you can. So that's the key for peanut butter. Bananas for my husband, as usual. I think I married a monkey. I cannot pronunciate this. Erythritol. It's a sweetener. Let's talk about this. To be honest, I have to research a little more because I've been using this a lot to substitute sugar. I thought it was a natural sweetener, but actually I saw somewhere that it's not. It's an artificial, different from stevia. Stevia is a natural one. So stevia, I know it's good. So this one, I have to research actually. If you are looking for something that has no calories, if you are trying to cut the calories itself, by all means buy it. Stevia is natural, stevia is healthier, but the problem with stevia is that stevia is too sweet. You cannot just change the sugar in the recipe for stevia because it's gonna be way sweet. I mean 20 times sweeter if I'm not mistaken. And the thing with this one that I cannot pronunciate, it's almost the same. So if you have to use a cup of sugar in a recipe, you can use a cup of this. So if you are trying to cut calories, by all means go for this one. But to be honest, I have to research a little more because sometimes I actually need to eat more because I'm very active, and sometimes by the end of the day I didn't eat enough calories. So maybe it would be a good idea, instead of use these to make my protein cookies as I usually do, maybe it would be a better idea to use sugar. Let's see. I'm gonna research a little more and I tell you. So yogurt, I eat every day. Milk, lactose free because my husband prefers that way. Protein bar, I buy this every week. I know. I told you last week, they are addictive. They are so good. Actually, among all the protein bars that I researched, this one, at least on paper, is the best because they have a lot of protein, not too much sugar. Tomatoes, always buy organic. If you want, let me know in the comments if you want me to explain about organics, because yeah, it's not plain simple. And I know it's more expensive, so I know sometimes we have to make choices that are a little more money conscious. So what I want to do is I want to tell you like a tier rank, I would say, not a tier rank, but I mean there are levels of necessity regarding organic food. So if you cannot buy everything organic, there are certain types of food that you actually have to, it's almost mandatory, and other types of food that you can pass on. And tomato, unfortunately, is one of those that you have to buy organic. I always buy grape tomatoes because I think they are easier when I want to prepare salads. But I've been looking for the larger ones, other types of tomatoes, because I want to make tomato sauce at home, and I cannot find organic anywhere. There is no organic large size tomatoes at Costco. I went to Farm Boy last weekend, I couldn't find them. So yeah, but try to find always organic. Mushrooms, we always have mushrooms because it's an easy way to add a little of more protein to the meals. You just chop it, put in there, and that's it. It's what I like to call free protein in a meal. Turkey sticks. This is good. Not only it tastes good, but it has a lot of protein, low in carbs, low in fat. The only thing is, I already told you, we actually eat a lot of protein every day. My husband and I, we are very active. We need to eat a large amount of calories, and we try to eat as much protein as we can. My target every day is 100 grams of protein. 100 grams? I don't know. I have to take take a look on my app. So everything that we can buy that has a large amount of protein, we buy it. But we are trying to reduce the processed food, and that's a problem when you have to eat a lot. But yeah, this is processed, but we eat every day, and yeah, by all means buy it. If you need to eat more protein, this one is a good source because there is a lot of protein in here, low in calories actually. Yeah, black pepper, an essential. And yeah, and I love it, edamame. We always have this in our fridge. Actually, I think it comes 9 bags of edamames. We always have in the fridge because it's perfect for movie night. It's packed with, guess what? Protein. And it's so easy because you just warm it up in the microwave and you can season with a lot of things. You can season straightforward with salt and pepper, or you can get creative, and it's so good. And it's so, I know, like movie night. By all means, make popcorn, make chicken wings the way I showed you here in the vlog. If you are new here, I already showed how to prepare healthier chicken wings and popcorn for movie nights. And this is another good choice. Yeah, because all the things I told you. And yeah, I think that was it. Let me put everything away and then I'm gonna have lunch, because I am hungry. Yeah, I'm always hungry. I actually forgot to mention, I got chocolate as well. This is a milk chocolate, like normal chocolate. If you like dark chocolate, better, but I prefer this one. We buy dark chocolate as well because my husband prefers the dark one, but I like to say I prefer the real one, the milk chocolate. And this one you always find at Costco. It's actually Swedish and it's good. I think it's so affordable because you get a lot of chocolate that it's good. It's pretty decent. And of course it's chocolate, so you have to eat in moderation. I don't eat every day, but by the end of the day, if I see that I still have a few calories remaining that I can eat, I eat chocolate because I love chocolate. And this particular one I like to buy because it comes in small, how can I say, small tablets, small portions. And it's better to eat the right amount. I have 200 calories still to go. I can calculate how many squares, I would say. Actually, they are rectangles. Anyways, I calculate how many of these I can eat and I eat them. So it's a good idea to have them. Actually, indulging yourself once in a while, not every day, not every time. It's also healthy. I spend some time carefully putting away all the groceries. This process is more than just a routine. It's a practice of mindfulness and gratitude. Each item has its place, and as I organize them, I think about the nourishing meals that will become a part of. Organizing my kitchen is also a moment of creativity. It's where I start visualizing the healthy recipes I'll be preparing, imagining the flavors and nutrients each ingredient will add to my dishes. This is not just about storing food. It's about preparing for a week of balanced, wholesome eating that supports our body and mind. I dedicated my afternoon to editing videos. This is a task I approach with both discipline and creativity. It's an opportunity to mold raw footage into inspiring and informative content for you. While the snow was covering the city, I made a cup of tea for me. The tea of the day was Darjeeling, which is rich in antioxidants, supports heart health, and can help reduce stress, making it a perfect healthy way to unwind. It's dinner time, and I'm excited to show you the delicious and colorful bowl I've prepared. To start off, I cooked some eggs to add a protein boost to my bowl. Eggs are not only nutritious but also versatile and easy to prepare. While the eggs were cooking, I turned my attention to the halloumi. I cut it into slices and seasoned it with aromatic Cajun spices. Then I grilled the halloumi for about 4 minutes. As the halloumi was grilling, I prepared a vibrant salad. I sliced cucumber, radish, carrots, and cherry tomatoes. Those colorful veggies not only provide essential nutrients, but also add a refreshing crunch to the bowl. Of course, I couldn't forget the creamy avocado. Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in healthy fats and fiber. Once the eggs were done, I drizzled them with a basil-infused olive oil. The fragrant basil adds a hint of freshness to the dish, while the olive oil provides a rich and smooth texture. To finish off the bowl, I added a final touch of flavor with a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. And there you have it, a vibrant and healthy bowl full of amazing flavors and nutrients. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a balanced meal that's both satisfying and nourishing. Remember, small changes like incorporating colorful vegetables and experimenting with different seasonings can make a big difference in creating a healthy lifestyle. You have the power to make a positive change one small step at a time. Until next time, take care, stay positive, and keep living your best life. Namaste.